Good morning to all. My dear students, I am K.V. Bhikshamaya, lecturer in zoology, Government Degree College, Gambhirraupet, Rajendra Sirsilla. Subject zoology. Today topic is mammals. Introduction. Mammals originated from theropsid reptiles in the Triassic period. Cenozoic era is known as the age of mammals. We can identify mammals superficially by the presence of hair, mammary glands, sweat glands, sebaceous glands are unique to mammals. The study of mammals is called mammalogy. Mammalogy. Blue whale is the largest mammals and the largest animal, up to 30 meter to 190 tons. Bumblebee bat is the smallest mammals. General characters of the mammals. First, mammals are the homothems. The body is divided into head, neck, trunk, and tail. Body is covered by hair, which is one of the unique characters of mammals. Hair is reduced in valleys, armadillos, etc. Hair is present at least in some stage of development in all mammals. Next, skin is glandular and consists of sweat glands, secretion glands, and sebaceous glands. Mammalian glands are modified sweat glands. Sweat glands. Skull is dicondylic. Each of the lower jaw consists of a single bone, the dentary. Most mammals have 7 cervical vertebrae, 6 in the clypeus, 2 toed slope, and trichotus, mammalians, and in the brachiopods. Sacral vertebrae are 2 of 5. Vertebrae are of the amphiplantary type. Amphiplatant types. Ribs are double-headed. Buccal cavity is separated from the upper nasal cavity by a secondary palate. Teeth are thecodont heterodont and diphodont. Four pairs of salivary glands are present in association with the buccal cavity. Three pairs in man. Respiratory gases exchange the currents through the lungs. Glottis is warranted by the epiglottis. Larynx is the sound produce organ. Next, heart is four-chambered. Oxygenated and deoxygenated types of blood are completely separated. Only the left systemic arch is the present. Renal portal system is absent. Major RBC is circular, biconical and anechoic. Mammals have a relatively large brain when compared to that of other animals in relation to body size. Next, the four optic lobes constitute carpon guardinemia and the two hallways of the cerebrum are connected by corpus callosum. The CNS is enveloped by three meninges. The middle meninx called arachnoid membrane is present in mammals only. Cranial nerves are 12 pairs. Eyes have movable eyelid with eyelashes. External ear has a large flash and cartilaginous flap called a pinna. Middle ear possesses 3 ear ossicles. They are malleolus, incus, and stipes. Cochlea of the internal ear is spinally coiled, and the bear is the organ of Corti, which is the receptor of sound. Organ of Corti, which is the receptor of sound. Functionally, kidney are bean shaped and metanephric. Nephron has lobe of Enel, which is helps in the formation of concentrated urine. Mammals are ureotelic. Next, sexes are separated. Sexual dimorphism is generally well marked Testes are usually found in scrotal sacs outside the abdomen. Intra-abdominal testes are found in the monotremes, cetaceans, and whales and the dolphins. Sea cows, elephants, etc. Males have copulatory organ called the penis. Males have copulatory organs called penis. Next, fertilization is the internal mammals except the monotremates are viviparous. Development is intrauterine. Developing embryo is attached to the uterine wall of the mother by a placenta. For nutrition and respiration, absent in the monotremates. This is the general characters of mammals. General characters of mammals. Next we discussion about classification. Classification. The class mammal is broadly classified into three subclasses. One is the Prototheria, two is the Metatheria. One is the Prototheria, two is the Metatheria, three is the Eutheria. This is the three subclasses of in mammals. Subclasses 1. First of all, subclasses is Prototheria. Proto means first, ther means beast. First is equal to beast. That is called Prototheria. This is included the order of monotremata. These are primitive reptile-like oviparous mammals. Penna is absent. Mammalia are without nipples. Mammals are without nipples. Interclavicle is present. Next, coracoid is the developed in the pectoral girdle. Next, the pelvic girdle process. Epipubic bone extending from the pelvis. Vertebrae without epibraes. Next, in the skull. Next, vertebrae without the epiparis. Ribs are single-ended. Ribs are single-headed. Capticulum is present. Tuberculum is absent. Capitulum is present. Tuberculum is absent. Next, the cervical ribs are present. Ribs are present. The cervical ribs are present. In the skill, dynamic bull and the lacrimals are absent. In the jingly is the reduced and absent. There is no corpus callosum in the brain. There is no corpus callosum is the brain. Teeth are absent in the adult, present in the juveniles. Testis and abdominal. Testis and abdominal. Next, rectum and urinogenital sinus open into the common cloaca, hence the name of the metothremata. Penis is the present in the cloacal floor and is used only of the feces or semen. Next, two uteri open into the urinogenital sinus. Vagina is absent. Vagina is absent. Platypus deposit the eggs in the nest. Echidna deposit the eggs in the temporarily abdominal pouch. Eggs are megalethal and undergo meroblastic clavages. Eggs are megalethal and undergo meroblastic clavages. A ground erectile poison spine occurs in the tarsus of the male Pliops. Found in the Australia, Tasmania and Dolingvinia. Example, Ornithorhynchus, duckbill platypus, nosed ectonomy, Zulosius virgil, long nosed in Echidna. This is the subclass of the Prototheria. Next, second subclass is Metatheria. Meta means after, there means beast. Metatherians are traditionally considered as a single order Marsophilia. In females, Marsuphilium or broad pouch is present to keep the young ones. Mammal bear Naples. Penna is usually present. Interclavicle is absent. In the pectoral girdle, coracoid is reduced. Ribs bear double-headed. Ribs bear double-headed. Corpus callosum is poorly developed. Teeth are usually present both in young and adults. Typically, Marsuphilian dental formula is Marsuphilian dental formula is 5134 by 4134. Marsuphilians replace only the last premolars. Cochlea is with at least 2.5 coils. Anus and urinogenital aperture are surrounded by a common sphincter. Next, penis lies behind the scrotum. Glans penis is forked. Vagina and uterine are doubled. That's called didelphic. Next, most marsupials have chorioventilin placenta. But parammammals has chloroclinic placenta. The duration of gestation period is shorter than that of ostrich cycle. The duration of gestation period is shorter than that of the ostrich cycle. The young born in a miniature start and cross in the marsupium, attached to the taste and the circles. Most of the marsupials are found in Australia, which is the deserted by the land of marsupials. Example: Didelphis, Opossum, and perimylites. Next we discussion about this Eutheria. Eu means true, Theria means beast. First, these are commonly known as placental mammals. These are highly developed mammals. Mammals' glands are well developed with nipples. Pinna is present in pectoral girdle. Coracoid is the produced. Ribs are dilated. Corpus callosum is well developed. Typically, Eutherian dental formula is 3143 by 3143. Most Eutherians replace all their teeth except for molars. Next, anus and uronogeal openings are separated by perineum. Penis lies in front of the scrotal sacs. Uterus is double or single. Vagina is single. Chorioamniotic placenta is present. Young ones are born in a relatively advanced state. Subclasses Eutheria is divided into 16 orders. They are Insectivora, Chiroptera, Dermoptera, Primotes, Edentata, Polydata, Logomorphia, Rodentia, Tubulodenta, Sataria Veses, Carnivora, Proboscidea, Hierocidia, Sirenia, Perissodactyla, Artodactyla. This is the 16 orders in subclasses of Eutheria. This is the mammals general characters and subclasses. Subclasses are 3. One is the Prototheria, 2 is the Metatheria, 3 is the Eutheria. Okay, right. Thank you very much.